Alright, welcome back to Oil Spill Garage. We're going to weld in the cross member for the Mustang 2 front end on the 52 Ford F1 Christmas truck. I've already spot welded it in, got it lined up. We're just going to finish hot metal glue gunning it in. That way it's set in place. This way it gets permanent home. Nothing. Sun. beautiful. I'd say it's not going anywhere. There's some solid welds. They penetrated very, very well. I am not a professional welder at all, but I will give y'all a close-up welds so y'all can see them. Very solid welds on both sides. Don't worry, I'll clean up the slag with the grinder, but it is not going anywhere. They are very, very good welds. So that's gonna end it for this episode. I've got a few more things to weld on, and then I will record the video of putting the front end together. Thank y'all. If you like, please hit the like and subscribe button. If you like the content you see, if you have ideas, please post them. Give me a comment. Let me know what I could be doing different. How can I improve the videos? That would be great. But that is the cross member welded in. Thank you so much.